Located in Southern California, not far from the Mexico border, San Diego is the oldest town in California. It has an enchanting natural beauty and a mild Mediterranean climate, with plenty of sunshine. Perfect for outdoor adventures. Some of the city's most popular tourist attractions are the museums, gardens, and Spanish colonial-style architecture found in Balboa Park, the world-famous San Diego Zoo, and the Midway Aircraft Carrier Museum. For a little history and shopping, you can stroll the streets of Old Town San Diego State Historic Park or wander through the Gaslamp Quarter. If you want to soak up the year-round sunshine and sea breezes, San Diego beaches are some of Southern California's best, with more than 68 miles of coastline in and around the city for sunning, swimming, and surfing. Now we show you top attractions, some of the best places and things to do in San Diego. Before the starting video, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Number 1. Seaport Village. Home to dozens of shops and dining outlets, Seaport Village can be found just a short distance from the center, nestled along its waterfront. Designed to look like a village, the complex's cobbled paths lead you past lovingly landscaped lakes and gardens with lots of attractive architecture on display. Since opening in 1980, it has been a firm favorite with visitors due to its delightful design and its superb shops and waterfront restaurants that now number more than 70 in total. With so much going for it, Seaport Village really is a great place to grab a bite to eat, shop for souvenirs, or simply enjoy wonderful views over the water. Number 2. Coronado Island. Travelers who want to put themselves in a relaxing mood may want to head to Coronado Island, where a laid-back small-town atmosphere prevails. The quaint island community is connected to San Diego by the San Diego-Coronado Bridge. Whether strolling on the beach or riding a rental bike around the inland, visitors can partake of the charm of this community, home to the Coronado Museum of History and Art, the shops and art galleries at Ferry Landing, and views of San Diego across the bay. A must-stop is the Hotel del Coronado, which is said to be the inspiration for the Emerald City in The Wizard of Oz. Number 3. La Jolla Cove. Hemmed in by some spectacular sea cliffs, the small and scenic La Jolla Cove is one of the most picturesque and photographed places along the Californian coastline. Part of a marine life refuge, it offers up all kinds of excellent activities and lies just 20 minutes drive northwest of the center. As well as lounging on its lovely beach, visitors can swim, snorkel, and kayak about its waters. Just north of the cove are some sea caves to explore with seals and sea lions, sometimes spotted sunning themselves on the surrounding rocks. There are also quite a few cafes and restaurants nearby with fabulous viewpoints dotted along the top of the cliffs. Number 4. Comic Con. Every year, thousands of cosplayers, comic book lovers, and costume superheroes descend upon San Diego for one of the most colorful and chaotic events in the calendar, Comic Con. What started as a small convention in 1970 has since morphed into a massive multi-day celebration of comic books and pop culture with countless events, exhibits, and award ceremonies taking place. Centered on the San Diego Convention Center, the festival has interesting panels and workshops for you to attend, as well as gaming events, film screenings, and even a costume contest. In addition, a myriad of stands and stalls sell collectibles, movie memorabilia, and of course comic books. Number 5. Little Italy. One of the best places to shop, dine, and go out in the city is undoubtedly Little Italy, which lies in the northwest of downtown. Located not far from Waterfront Park and the Embarcadero, it is dotted with Italian restaurants, grocery stores, and art galleries, and hosts a fantastic weekly farmers market. Once the center of the city's tuna industry, the lively neighborhood is now instead home to pizza places, bodegas, and breweries that opened after the canning factories closed down. Besides strolling about, shopping, and stopping for a bite to eat or coffee, locals and tourists can enjoy the numerous festivals and events related to Italian culture that the community hosts each year. Number 6. Petco Park. Another fun thing to do when in town is to watch the San Diego Padres play baseball at the state-of-the-art Petco Park. Considered to be one of the best stadiums in Major League Baseball, it exhibits some lovely architecture and boasts fantastic views over the skyscraper-dotted downtown. Opened in 2004, the striking stadium is clad in sandstone, stucco, and white steel, which are meant to evoke the sandy color of the city's beaches and cliffs. While watching an exciting game is certainly the highlight of any visit to the ballpark, there is also an entertainment zone for kids to enjoy, as well as lots of food stands and a fabulous Hall of Fame. Number 7. Mission Beach. If you're after some sun, sea, and sand instead, then you can't beat the lively seaside town of Mission Beach, which lies just 15 minutes northwest of the center. Set on a sandbar between the Pacific Ocean and Mission Bay, it offers a wealth of outdoor activities and is known for its beachside bars and happening nightlife scene. Connected to Pacific Beach by its gorgeous golden sands and long and bustling boardwalk, Mission Beach is a great place to relax and unwind, with lots of other attractions and entertainment options lying nearby. Besides Belmont Park, you can find SeaWorld San Diego and Tiki Town Adventure Golf, with fun water sports also being on offer. Number 8. La Jolla Shores. La Jolla Shores is one of the San Diego area's best beaches. La Jolla is an upscale community, sometimes referred to as the Jewel of San Diego. But this gem really shines when it comes to its beaches. La Jolla Shores is a mile-long beach that is popular with locals and visitors alike for a variety of water activities: swimming, surfing, scuba diving, and kayaking. But the fun doesn't end when the sun goes down, as beachgoers light fires to roast hot dogs and party a while longer. Number 9. Pacific Beach. Just north of Belmont Park, you can find the popular Pacific Beach, which is actually connected to Mission Beach by a 3-kilometer-long boardwalk. Much livelier than its southern neighbor, the beachside town is renowned for its nightlife and boasts one of the best bar scenes in San Diego. While lots of college students and young adults head here for its many clubs and party atmosphere, families also visit for its lifeguard-supervised swimming areas and excellent amenities. In addition to strolling along its bustling boardwalk or the peaceful Crystal Pier, Pacific Beach has some great surf spots for you to check out and countless shops and restaurants in the center of town. Number 10. Balboa Park. Balboa Park isn't just another park. It has plenty of green space, flora and fauna, naturally, but it also contains 15 museums, a carousel, miniature railroad, the renowned San Diego Zoo, and the historic Old Globe Theater, among other attractions. The list of museums include a couple of art museums, while others are devoted to natural history, air and space, science, and the famous Museum of Man. Numerous gardens are devoted to native plants, roses, cactus, a veterans memorial, and a children's garden. The nation's largest urban garden also includes restaurants and biking and hiking trails. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.